I'm going to show you how to make Orangecello, also known as Orangecello. Let's do it. So here we have 500 ml of vodka and we've got 4 oranges, and all we're going to need is the skin. So we're just going to peel them. Smells amazing. So what we want to do is make sure that we just use the peel and don't get any of this white pith, because that is going to make our drink very bitter. And this orange peel is just going to have a nice aroma of orange. So we're going to pop that in here. And once we've peeled all of these oranges, we're going to just pop that in that jar. So guys, you can make this with any fruit. If you're using lemons or limes, you want to use an extra one just because they are smaller. I haven't tried it with anything unusual like tomatoes yet, but you know, maybe one day. I'm going to put these oranges in the fridge for later. And so with our orange peel, we're just going to pour over our 500 ml of vodka. You can use any alcohol that you want. So let's put the lid on this, put it in a dark, cool place, and then we'll be back in 1 week to carry on the process. So this orange peel has been sitting in this vodka for about a week now, and the colour looks amazing. It's really orange looking. So what we're going to do is strain that now. So here I have a jug which has a sieve on top of it, and I'm just going to pour this straight into the jug. You could probably use this orange peel for something if you wanted to. I mean, some people when they're making cello actually put the peel back into the syrup. I'm not going to do that, but you definitely can do that if you want to. So now I'm going to pour our Orangecello into our bottle. In the top here, I've got a little funnel to make it easier to pour. So now we are ready to make our simple syrup. What I'm going to do is get 200 grams of granulated sugar and put it into our saucepan. Then I'm going to add 500 ml of water. Put the heat on, and we want to mix this continuously for about 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is combined. Now the simple syrup is done, I'm just going to pour it into our jug and then allow it to cool. So the simple syrup has cooled, and now we are ready to pour it into our Orangecello. Here goes. Let's give that a little shake. So here is the Orangecello. It's still a little bit warm from the syrup. And typically you would serve this cold from the freezer, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna try it on camera. I've never tried Orangecello before, so it's gonna be my honest review. Super excited. Sadie said when this was infusing in the vodka, that it smelled like Jaffa cakes, and I love Jaffa cakes, so. You know what, it does taste like Jaffa cakes. It's got the flavour of that orange sort of jelly inside a Jaffa cake. That is really good.